Yo guys, it's April 1 and another day, another best. So yo, ngayon pa-prank natin si Justin. It's birthday rin niya. Why not prank him? I mean, ano nga yung number niya? So i-paste ko na yung number niya. And as you can see, ready na yung ating ringtone.
You bloody fucking phone is fucking ringing back.
So, really. Game. 3, 2, 1. Kinakabahan ako. Ay, sumagot. Gagi. Censor, please censor. Di sumagot. Justin. Pati sumasagot si Justin. Ayan. So, I'll try again later na lang. Gagi, mali pala yung na-chat ko. Gagi, si Alan pala yun. Yare. Ikaw pala yun. Akala ko si Justin. Gagi, di ko alam si Alan pala yun. After all this time, mali pala yung number. Wait. May maling number pa yung chat ko. Kaya pala nagsagot. Okay. So, let's try again. Bale, ano na lang. Yun. Yari ka sa akin, Jazz. Time to be a prankster. Okay. I got the number. So, dial natin ulit. Kasi wrong number pala. Anyways, let's try again. 3, 2, 1.
Hello?
You bloody fucking phone is fucking ringing, bastard! Listen now, you bloody phony telephone fucking ring. Bloody hell, pick your fucking phone up, you bastard motherfucking cunt, your bloody telephone, a bloody fucking ring, bastard! Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a! I'm fucking telling you, fucking sick and tired of this bloody fucking phone. I'm telling you, motherfucker, you pick your fucking phone up, you bloody
No.
It's coming now!
Hello, my name is Kamil Habib Hibab. I am calling from Microsoft Corporation. Please go buy gift cards and email me PIN numbers to gift cards to win free vacation.
Hello, this is Sandra from Microsoft. Your computer has virus. You need to send me $30,000 to fix it.
Happy birthday, bro. April Fools, bitch. Sige, pre. Enjoy your day, man. Happy birthdays. So yun lang guys. Wow, that was something. Nice. So yun lang guys. Thanks for watching the video. Yun lang. Nag-chat na si Sir. Hindi pa rin niya natatanggap ang aking work. Fuck! So yun lang. Sorry, ang dumi ng kwarto ko. Kagising ko lang pala. Yeah. Bye guys.